Imagine a scenario. You're driving, turning a corner, and your car's wheels are all spinning at different speeds. Sounds complicated, right? Yet, this is happening constantly, and without a clever piece of engineering, your vehicle would struggle to even move. Today, we're diving deep into the unsung hero of your drivetrain, the differential. At its core, the differential is a mechanical marvel designed to do one crucial thing: allow your vehicle's drive wheels to rotate at different speeds while still receiving power from the engine. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's absolutely essential for safe and efficient driving, especially when cornering. Think about it this way: when you take a turn, the wheel on the outside of the curve has to travel a greater distance than the wheel on the inside. If both wheels were forced to spin at the same speed, one would have to drag or slip, leading to immense strain on the drivetrain, poor handling, and rapid tire wear. This is where the genius of the differential comes into play. Housed within a sturdy casing, it uses a series of gears, typically a ring gear, pinion gear, and a set of spider gears, to achieve this speed variance. The input shaft from the transmission drives the pinion gear, which in turn rotates the larger ring gear. The ring gear is connected to the differential case, which houses the spider gears. These spider gears are free to rotate on their own axis and mesh with the side gears, which are splined directly to the axle shafts leading to each wheel. It's this intricate dance of gears that enables the differential action. In an open differential, the most common type, power is always sent along the path of least resistance. While brilliant for allowing speed differences, this characteristic presents a significant drawback. If one wheel loses traction, say, it hits ice, mud, or lifts off the ground, all the engine's power will be directed to that spinning wheel, leaving the wheel with traction stationary. This loss of power to the wheel with grip is precisely why an open differential can leave a vehicle stranded, even if only one drive wheel is on a slippery surface. It severely limits off-road capability and can hinder performance driving, where maximizing traction is paramount. Enter the Limited-Slip Differential, or LSD. This advanced differential aims to mitigate the open differential's weakness by automatically transferring power from the wheel with less traction to the wheel with more traction, but only up to a certain limit. There are several types of LSDs, but commonly they use either clutch packs or specialized gear designs. Clutch-type LSDs employ friction plates that engage when a speed difference is detected between the wheels, effectively locking them together to some degree. Torque-sensing LSDs use worm gears to achieve a similar effect by creating friction within the gear set itself. The benefits of an LSD are profound. It provides significantly improved traction in slippery conditions, enhances acceleration by reducing wheel spin, and allows for more controlled power delivery out of corners, making vehicles feel more planted and capable, especially in performance driving scenarios. For handling, an LSD can transform a vehicle. By ensuring more consistent power delivery to both wheels, it can reduce understeer or oversteer tendencies, allowing the driver to put power down more effectively mid-corner and through the exit, enhancing overall driving dynamics and driver confidence. But what if you need absolute, uncompromising traction, regardless of speed differences? That's where locking differentials come into play. These are designed for extreme situations where maximum grip is the priority, even if it means sacrificing some maneuverability. When engaged, a locking differential mechanically binds the two output shafts together, forcing both wheels to rotate at precisely the same speed. This means 100% of the available torque is distributed equally to both wheels, even if one is completely airborne. Locking differentials are almost exclusively found in serious off-road vehicles, military applications, and some specialized racing environments. They are typically manually engaged by the driver, often with a button or lever, and are usually only used at low speeds in difficult terrain. The impact on handling when a locker is engaged is significant. While providing unparalleled traction in a straight line or over uneven terrain, turning with a lock differential can be very difficult, leading to tire scrubbing, increased steering effort, and potential damage to the drivetrain if used on high-traction surfaces. So, whether it's the versatile open differential for everyday driving, the performance-enhancing limited-slip differential for spirited excursions, or the uncompromising locking differential for the toughest trails, Each type serves a distinct purpose in ensuring power reaches the ground effectively. Understanding their differences is key to appreciating the true capabilities of any vehicle.